Janya?
I don't know.
I know. Hi everyone, I'm MJ.
I'm Jayi.
And we're Honey Pill.
Today, we are opening this box of Starlight Boys cards.
I'm just here reacting because these aren't mine.
But your man is in this.
I'm only getting Junghyuk doubles because he was in mirae and he's my man.
Honestly, you can have some of my non-doubles. It depends. Though.
Yeah, we'll see as they pop up.
Yes. Disclaimer, I did not buy this from the actual iqiyi website. I bought this from a secondhand seller. Fuck iqiyi. Fuck Starlight Boys. Polarix, we love you. 3form, we love you. Show, I love you. Show, I hope you're in this box. There were like fucking 99 of them at the start or something. Every pack, I think, is 4 cards, and there are 10 packs in there, so 40 cards.
Nice.
I think our chances are high.
There has to be at least one Junghyuk in there, right?
Yeah.
I think one Junghyuk photo card from a mirae album that I own. And I still keep meaning to buy the other ones, but I just haven't had.
You have nails. You can do it.
Plus, Sarang Hello doesn't sell anything more than Mirae's second album, which makes me very sad.
I stopped watching this show after the whole mistreatment thing went down, but I'm still excited for Polarix, and I swear to God, they better be well managed because they're so talented.
I want them to come to America
because
I want to see Junghyuk.
I want to see Junghyuk and everyone. Honestly, I'm like, when I'm pulling cards, I'm like not mad at like not getting my person. Like I will
be
collecting
because I only know Junghyuk.
Like, oh yeah, it's like very limited to the box. This thing moves, and then you open. Wow, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3.
If you want scissors, you can open it nicely, or you're just gonna rip the package.
I'm gonna just rip it.
Oh, okay.
Is that?
Ooh,
that's more than 4.
Background.
Okay.
These
are very thick and well made. 3, 2, 1. Who is? Oh, Xingqi. Okay.
A QR
Oh, that's
code.
a fucking okay. Oh, Kaito! Oh my god! He was show partner in the audition. I love him. He got eliminated too early. Justice for Kaito and Hantei. Okay. Okay.
Wow, this video really is for you.
Yeah.
I'm just like,
you know what? Not bad. Not bad. We got a Kaito.
I called the QR code.
Do you actually?
No. Watch it's like a cute video or something. Controller not exists.
What?
Okay.
Okay, these are only 4 cards. I only got 4 in this pack. I think the other one was just for the...
I want to look at these up close.
Yes.
You prioritize showing it to the camera.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, was he in that? I'm not sure.
So only one
Ooh, okay.
with the name. Like,
oh, this is a cute one.
Look, listen to this.
Stop!
That is not a regular photo card. Girl, this is so durable. You're fine.
I know, but that kind of scared me. Cat. Okay.
These 2 are thick, and these 2 are like thinner.
Pack number 3. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. All right.
Where's my man?
I don't know. We're trying to find him.
One
3,
of
2,
my many
1.
men.
Rex. Wait, he's so funny. I love Rex. This is Kwakun. Kwakun, yes. We miss him. Wait. And Kingston! Yes! Okay. Show gotta be in here somewhere, right? Which pack is this? This is our 4th pack. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, who is that?
Stop, I haven't seen the other one.
I know. Hold on. Here's this picture. I'm right here. I'm gonna put a picture of Jay's other celebrity crush. They look very similar. I can see you have a type.
I get it. I have a type. We have show, and I'm glad I didn't bend him while I'm so happy.
These are very durable cards. There's no way you can bend this.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna try.
Smack.
It does nothing.
Fun. I'd still rather be careful. Long thing. Okay. Oh my god, I'm this is staying with me. I'm happy. I'm happy now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Oh, another Kaito. Okay, I got 2 for 2. Love that. Oh, Youngyan. Yes. And another this. I am hoping for one of 3 form and a Jincho, but
Okay,
I feel like those are gonna be
code.
the.
Look how hard this is. This is not. Can I bend this one? I want to see if I can bend it.
Sure.
It's a QR code. What are you gonna do
Yeah,
with this?
sure, do it.
Oh, that was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be.
3, 2, 1. Yes, I think so. Chu. And oh, Xuanyu. Yes.
Where's Junya?
I don't know, man. Listen, he's in here somewhere. And honestly, you could have him because there's a lot of boys on this show. 3, 2, 1. Another youngin.
You just let this nigga, bro. This nigga.
No, this is not. I don't think this is
Hello.
Junghyun. This is not Junghyun. Well, now you're making me doubt myself. I'm pretty sure this is not him.
I'm not sure either.
Yeah,
because
this
I know
is-
I know what he looks like. I just
No,
like
his-
yeah. Pack number 8.
And if that-
Give it up for pack number 8.
And if that is Junghyun, I'm gonna shoot myself because what do you mean?
What do you mean you didn't recognize your man?
Exactly.
Oh, I didn't get a silver one this time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is a good photo. Look at that.
Yeah,
Mingyu.
it's a someone named Luo Junwei.
Oh, fuck us, Junwei.
See,
Oh, I feel bad. Okay.
It's not Junghyun. I know my men.
And Hikari! Give it up for pack number 9. I'm scared. Why is me not here? Okay, I have 1 silver. I'm sorry. I don't know why. 3, 2, 1. Pentor! And chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last pack. Thoughts and prayers. I did not get a Yinghao.
Ooh,
Or
ooh,
any of 3
twins.
forms. Oh, it's Donghua. Okay. Shiu, another Shiu 1. Jian, please. Eden. Ooh, we did not get Junhyuk. Damn.
That's racist.
Well, I got show and I'm happy.
How old is he?
He's 24.
Oh, he's already.
Yeah. Do you want to pick a favorite?
Let's see. He kind of looks like Dong Pyo.
Kingston? Oh, I see it. Wait, yeah. Kingston's cool. He's a really good dancer.
He kind of looks like Dong Pyo. Who was my wrecker in Mirae.
We love him.
These were my favorites.
Can I read out their names?
Xiao Jiayin, Yang Yan, John Mingyu. Oh, a Mingyu. Of course I like a Mingyu. And Pentor. Thanks for coming on this very disappointing journey with us. I didn't find any Junghyuk cards. I was lied to.
Okay, I didn't find any Jincho or Yinghao.
Yeah, but you got the one dude you really like. That's it for this video.
Remember to like,
Comment
share.
and subscribe and follow the TikTok.
Don't forget, guys, my Blue Angel raffle giveaway is still going on right now.
It's gonna be going on in 4 weeks.
Yeah, I like barely get traffic on my channel. There is still time to enter, and please keep streaming all of my songs on streaming.
Yeah, what she said.
I'm Jayi,
I'm MJ.
and this was Honey Pill. Bye.
Bye bye.
Shoo.